like my last slimes that I have. My bad slimes that my mom decided to destroy because she wanted to get me 100 new ones. So yeah. But anyways, let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Alright guys, so first one we have, guys, it's this one. This was actually one of my favorite ones. It was my cotton candy one that I made. So beautiful. But anyways, here it is. I have absolutely no idea what's even going on with it. The top is just a bunch of foam beads, and then the bottom is boogers. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this part away, and then we're gonna see what we can do with this part. What is that? What is that? Okay, well, I have no idea what that white stuff at the bottom is. But anyways, here it is. What should we do, guys? I have absolutely no idea. I feel like we should add some more glue because it is kind of very tiny. Alright guys, so it's very thin and jiggly, so I decided to add some clear slime to it to try and make it a little bit thicker and bigger. So yeah, hopefully it mixes well. Alright, I'm gonna put a bunch of hair gel to try and soften this up. I feel like that was more than enough, like maybe even too much, but it's okay because then we can just add some more activator. Alright guys, here it is. It is very nice now. Not the best, but I mean, yeah, very nice. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put, it's already kind of like a green color, so I'm gonna make it more green. Okay, so we put this yellow and some blue. There we go. And let's mix it and see how that does. A very nice bright green. I'm liking it so far. Alright guys, here's the color now. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a bunch of glitter. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna put some iridescent glitter. Yes. Some holographic jumbo glitter. And some silver glitter. Okay. Alrighty, and let's mix it. Oh my gosh, this one is so pretty. Honestly, we did a pretty good job with this, guys. Wow. This is very pretty. It reminds me of Tinkerbell. Should we add some foam beads? I feel like we should. I kind of want to add just a little bit of yellow foam beads, and I feel like it'll be really pretty. Alrighty, and we have our yellow foam beads. I'm just going to add a little bit. Like, I really just want, like, a little bit. I'm just kidding. I'm going to put more. Okay, I think that's good. Ooh, yes. So pretty. Honestly, this one is amazing. This is Sour Patch Kid. Sour Patch Kid unicorn. Alright guys, we do a little before and after picture. Okay guys, this looks very good. I wasn't really expecting this. Like, I knew that this one was gonna be a bit more like easy to fix, but like this actually turned out so pretty and so much better than I expected. It turned out very nice. You guys comment down below what you think I should name it and how you think I did, and let's get on to the next one. By the way guys, I am on the side of my table because the middle of my table is doing something wacky and the slime keeps sticking to it, so I'm on the side. This next one is this purple one, and oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. It looked like it was a very pretty one. There's a shaving cream cap in here. That was like a pimple! What the heck? I was not expecting that. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I guess I will just take the little lid we got going on here off. It seems like it was a butter slime of some sort. I feel like this one I'm not gonna be able to fix because it smells like there's mouthwash in it, and mouthwash really destroys slime. It wreaks havoc on slime. So I'm gonna add some activator and we're gonna see if we can fix this. I seriously don't think we can, but we're gonna try. All right guys, so first I wanna add some GlueAll green. Thanks, Paul, okay. That's enough, Paul, oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Jeez. Okay, I just wanted to add some GlueAll to this because I feel like it's not gonna be able to activate, so just add a little bit of GlueAll and we're gonna activate it now. I think it will activate a lot better now, and we're gonna try and scoop that up because Paul apparently is a terrible aimer. All right guys, so we're gonna try and activate this. Oh yeah, Okay, we're just gonna keep pointing the activator, and I don't think it is working at all. This is not working at all, guys. It's completely done and finished. There's nothing I can do. Seriously, like, oh my gosh. I could probably do more with this than this. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, guys, let's get on to the next one. Hopefully, it is not as bad as this one. All right, guys, next one we're gonna do is this one. This looks even worse than the last, but I feel like we might be able to fix it. It literally looks like moss. Like a moss monster, especially with these. All right, let's see. Let's see what we're working with, guys. Oh, it's not that bad. Guys, it's not that bad. What slime was this? What the heck is this? What the heck? Okay, well, I have no idea what this was, but yeah. Okay, well, I have no idea what to do to fix this, because it's kind of like a very dark color. So we are going to, we're gonna put some lotion first. We're gonna put some lotion, okay. There we go, we're gonna put some lotion, mix that in. Hopefully that works. If it doesn't, we're gonna have to bring in the vinegar. I hope it doesn't come to that. Alright guys, so I think it's a lot softer now. It's definitely a lot softer. It's a lot stretchier. Now we're gonna add, where did it go? We're gonna add a bunch of blue food coloring, because this food coloring is super duper strong. So I was thinking maybe I could get this to like a dark blue or even like a dark turquoise or something. Navy blue, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of vinegar in this to try and soften it up, because it's still not soft enough. Oh yes, look at that, it's working very nice. Whoa, uh-oh, I might need some activator. All right, my hands are very green now, guys. What happened to this slime, guys? All right, guys, so it turned into a really nice, like, kind of like puffy slime. So I'm liking that. But also, guys, I decided I'm gonna add some paint. And I'm gonna add some navy blue paint, and hopefully it becomes navy blue. I think it will, because paint is pretty, like, strong. So yeah, ooh, it's such a pretty color. It's getting everywhere. I hope this works, guys. I think it will. It has to. If it doesn't, then oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm getting it all over my fingers. Maybe I should put it less. Okay, well, I painted my whole table, guys, and my hands. My hands are so freaking blue and like green. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's keep mixing it though. I think it turned more blue. We're gonna go ahead and add some more. Oh, that looks cool. Okay. Okay, I think it's working. Okay, I think it's turning finally into a bluish color that I wanted. Yes, it is. Yes, finally. That took forever. Alright, so now that it is the kind of dark blue that I wanted, I'm going to go ahead and add some gold glitter. Well, actually, we're going to add gold glitter. That's a lot of glitter. We need a lot of glitter for this slime, guys. And some silver glitter. So we're just going to go ahead and cover the whole slime with glitter, like that. And we're just going to leave it like that, because it just looks better like that. That looks so pretty, honestly. Like, why is it making a donut? And ta-da! Beautiful! I know it's not the best, guys, but it's the best I could do. But it actually looks kind of cool. Like, it reminds me of like a elegant dress. Because like it's kind of like gold with like a dark color. I like it. Alright guys, let's do a little before and after. All right, I think it doesn't look too different, but it does look better, I feel like. And yeah, you guys comment down what you think. If you think it looked better before I touched it, or it's better now, or what you would have done if you think I did a terrible job. Okay, let's get on to the next one. This is the next slime we're doing. Triphobia warning. Oh my gosh. I don't even know where to start with this, to be completely honest. Like, I really, what is going on? It doesn't even look like it's wet. Let's try this. Okay, it's actually perfectly activated. At least this part is. It's not bad, honestly. Wow, okay. Well then. Okay, let's try the middle piece now. Okay, that came out in one piece. I think I'm just gonna throw this one away. It seems very bad. Okay, and then we have the third piece that looks exactly like this one, so I think it should be good. Yeah, it's good. All right. It's honestly not that bad. It has like a nice texture to it. Like, it doesn't even need a makeover. Like, look, it's like actually pretty good. Okay, what should we do to this thing, slime? You know what, guys? I think I am going to add a little bit of lotion to this. Make it softer. There, add some lotion to that. And then I'm gonna try and make it into a full foam. See how that, I feel like it'll look cool like that because it has a pretty good color to it. I think I'm just gonna keep this color. It's pretty. But I think we need to put more lotion. Some glue all into this too. Try and make it like a bit thicker, and I think it helped, but it's still not soft enough. It needs some more soft, so I'm gonna try hair gel this time. Maybe that will work better. Oh, I think that works a lot better. Yeah, I think that worked a lot better. Here it is now. A lot stretchier. I hope the foam stays in there. Okay, now I need to go and collect some foam beads. All right, we got our foam beads, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and put them in there. I'm just gonna put the whole thing. I think it should be enough. Ooh, this one seems like it's gonna be beautiful. Oh, wow. Okay, well, that looks pretty good, I think. This one looks really nice. It's very pretty. But I think I'm gonna add a little bit more pink food coloring. Well, I didn't add any, but I'm gonna add some pink food coloring, I guess, because I feel like it could be like a prettier pink. So I think it will turn prettier. I don't know. Hopefully I didn't just ruin it. Let's see. Okay, all right, well, this is the makeover, guys. I'm done. This one is beautiful. I think this will be my favorite. Well, I don't know, that green one looks amazing. Okay, this one looks so good though. It's so crunchy, it's so pretty. The color even got better. I didn't even know if I could make that better, but it's beautiful. So you guys comment down below which one your favorite is, and if you think I should have done something different with this slime or any other slimes. And yeah. All right, guys, let's do a little compare and contrast before and after. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow, I think this one was very, very good. Alright, you guys comment down below which is your favorite one, and that is it. Love you so much, and I hope I see you next time. Bye!